The smart choice for preparing today's lower-calorie foods. Cooks 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods. Saves time, energy, and money. Pressure cooking preserves flavors and nutrients, and even tenderizes lean cuts of meat. Strong, heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heating, easy cleaning, and long life. Works on electric, smooth top, and gas ranges. The smart choice for healthy, flavorful meals, fast and easy. Cooks 3 to 10 times faster than ordinary cooking methods, even faster than a microwave for many foods. Chicken, fish, meat and vegetables cook to perfection fast. Helps tenderize economical cuts of meat. Works on regular and smooth top ranges. Cover lock indicator shows when there is pressure inside the cooker and prevents the cover from being removed until pressure is safely reduced. Includes a special rack for cooking several foods at once with no intermingling of flavors. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Liquid capacity: 8 quarts, 7.6 liters. Top reviews from the United States. The locking lid seal is sturdy and seals tightly. I just got the cooker today. I am very impressed with the heavy-duty aluminum the cooker is made from. The locking lid seal is sturdy and seals tightly. Presto makes good, reliable products and I recommend this. Well worth the price, and the price is very reasonable for such a good product. Since I received this, I have used it numerous times. It cooks really well and fast too. It has a nice pressure valve and locking mechanism. It's really big too. Another nice feature is the fact that it has 2 handles. One on each side for easy pouring. Strongly recommend. If you're looking for a really good pressure cooker, this is one to try.